We are headed to Manifolds on Main Street in Cape. Usually is a pretty good cruise in. Last year was, it was okay. We'll see. I think hopefully this year's a little better. And hopefully the weather will hold out. It's a little cloudy. It might rain. I don't know if it'll rain. Hopefully it won't rain, but we'll see. Manifolds on me. It's cruising in Cape. It's kind of the last big cruise in right before fall. Kind of the last cruise of the summer. There's usually a couple hundred cars. Last year wasn't so great, but the year before it was pretty good. They actually rescheduled it because it was raining last weekend, so I'm not sure how the turnout's going to be. But it's just a cruise down Broadway. Go down by the river, by Cape. It's just a bunch of people hanging out. There's usually a burnout pit there somewhere. Jason and Sarah from Opar Hot Rod Shop, I'm sure they're down there. We'll go down there and see what's going on down there. I don't know, we'll see how it goes today. Ought to be good times. That's Nathaniel. Got the yellow banana. Bark there, you hear it? And I need to get my hair cut. So we're gonna swing in Great Clips real quick and get my hair cut.
Probably the worst place you can get one.
That's alright. It's still a haircut. The difference between a good haircut and a bad haircut is about 2 weeks. So. What you guys doing? Are you? I gotta get my hair cut. Where's the baby?
Huh?
Oh, she's in the trunk for sure.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, she doesn't want a little one in any old vehicle until she's 18. I'm like, that's not happening.
That's not. Oh, yeah? I got my hair cut. We're ready to cruise now. She cut the gray out. Did she get it all?
No.
Did you miss some?
A little bit. Around everywhere. You should just go bald.
You're supposed to cut the gray out.
Was that necessary?
It was for sure. 100% necessary.
That was a really good idea when my phone was hanging out the window.
Look, oh my gosh, follow the Corvette. Yes, it follows the same trend. Did you see the guy in the Corvette?
Yes.
100%. He is following the Corvette trend. For sure. There's Scott. Up here that it was a little wild last year. Eternity right here is where they were a little wild last year.
Yeah, I remember that. Ooh, Burritoville. Burritoville. We have to.
You want to eat at Burritoville?
Yeah. You might.
Oh, look at that. Oh, Lou Glutz. You see the license plate?
Yeah.
You know what that's from, right?
That is
Lou Glutz. It's from Vacation.
Oh.
That's the family truckster where he bought the family truckster.
How would I know that?
We just went to Burritoville. If you've never been to Burritoville in Cape Girardeau, you're missing out. They got burritos the size of your fists. Even the small burrito is a lot. We just ate. We're gonna cruise here and see what's what. Seems to be a lot of cars out, a lot of people out, so looking good so far. Boy, something is really cammy. Is that Corvette?
I think so.
Oh, yeah.
It's definitely.
Oh, we're in the middle of the Corvettes.
Great.
Oh man. We're in the wrong spot.
You think?
You're in the wrong spot for sure. That guy, well, that's a young guy in a Corvette. Must be his dad's car. What do you think?
Probably.
Nah, it's too cammy to be an old man's car. Nah, it's a young guy for sure. Look, his hair's flipped up.
Oh yeah.
It's a young guy.
It's a young guy.
Hope the old girl don't overheat in traffic.
Yeah.
Here, that thing is super loud. I can't even hear myself think. This road is bad.
It is really bad.
You know what? We haven't seen a single cop yet.
Oh
Not
yeah.
a single cop yet.
Not a single cop yet.
Which
Cool.
is good.
There might be some action at the burnout pit though.
There may be. That's usually later after dark when all the hoodlums get down there and
Yeah.
rile everybody up.
Uh-huh.
Then the cops come and break it up.
Yeah.
Gotta be.
Last year it was pretty big.
Yeah, last
There
year.
was
I kept getting all kinds of wheel hop on the scat pack last year though.
yeah.
And I think we gotta get away from this Corvette.
Yeah, it's really loud.
Yeah. Well, that thing's rowdy though.
It is, yeah. It's really rowdy. Yeah.
Yeah, here comes that red Model.
Oh yeah.
Anyone that actually needs to do something downtown
Oh yeah.
today is not good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let just hopefully somebody turns between us and this Corvette. No, he's turning the other way.
Is he?
Oh no, he isn't.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh, he's better.
There we go. Woo!
Burnout back there.
I guess. Are you going to?
Maybe.
Maybe.
See any cops anywhere?
I don't.
Alright, how about? That was probably one of the best burnouts this thing ever did. Oh no, I gotta stay a little tired.
Oh yeah.
I mean, there's Grace right there.
Oh yeah.
That was first, second, and third. Hey, my foot slipped on the gas.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, that's cheating when you're on the road. Station.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Griswold.
Clark!
Here we go. Oh yeah.
Mustang better not. Mustang better not. We're gonna get taken out. We're gonna get taken out. What is he doing? Oh my God!
Look at the Steven pile. They can't see.
This guy's going around.
That's the coolest thing here. That was a burnout now. It's safe to say I don't have the best one anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did one earlier. I didn't notice the camera. Don't have to be parked. Oops.
Hey, what are you doing?
Girl, get a ticket in the mail.
Come back.
Probably.
It'll be all right.
Be fine. Yeah. There's a chick in the mail. Be like, hey, don't check the mail.
Fancy.
See this right-hand drive right here?
Yeah, Supra. Yeah. It's a Camry engine.
Went over by the college to meet some friends. They're all part down there hanging out. They're trying to get me to go down there and do a burnout. We'll see. What are you guys doing?
We're getting pulled up by Steve in a minute, Nate. We got some Taco John's.
starting to wind down a little bit. Not that there ain't cars out here, but it's starting to get a little bit slower and quieter.
Woo!
I see reds and blues.
Yeah. Oh, after him too.
Oh, you must have hit something.
Must have. Is that tar pile still there?
Probably. I'm sure it's not steaming anymore though.
Oh no. Oh yeah, they got someone sitting down here.
Yeah. No parking by order of police.
Oh. It's an old thing. Oh yeah, there's the tile.
Oh yeah, it's still there.
Yeah.
I've walked through a few times. So the cops are down here now.
Oh yeah, they're cops right here. Yeah, let's get out of here. Down here is pretty chill.
This is where you do the burnout.
This is where you do it, yeah.
That's a decent looking bed right there.
Yeah.
Look at those fat tires in the back.
It's nice.
Oh, they got water down.
Oh yeah.
Come on, I got you, nail it! Spin your wheels.
Spin your wheels. Uh-huh.
We got our ice cream. Ask the rebels. Met the guys from Boosted Behavior right here. Yeah. Cruising next weekend in Papa Buff. After this, take a little cruise going out of town, and that'll probably be it for the night. It was good times tonight. Lost a little tire again, but it was fun.